Paint with Computer. Chapter Overview. After going through the chapter, you will be able to understand MS Paint, ribbon, tools of MS Paint, how to draw and color the figure. In this unit, we will learn how to work with MS Paint on computer, draw different figures and learn to color them, same as we do using paper, pencil and crayons. Steps to open MS Paint. Step 1. Clicking the Start button on the desktop. Step 2. Drag cursor to the Paint option. Step 3. Click the Paint window. You can start MS Paint window through Start, Program, Accessories, Paint. Paint window. MS Paint has two sections, ribbon and drawing area. Top strip is the ribbon. It has all tools, shapes, color, brushes, etc. commands for working. The white area is the drawing area. Paint button, ribbon, drawing area. Ribbon. Top part is called the ribbon. Ribbon contains all the options and tools required for painting and drawing. It is the most important part of the paint window. All the shapes, tools and color options are in the ribbon. Select tools from here. Select brushes from here. Select shapes from here. Select different colors from here. Drawing shapes. It is very easy to draw in MS Paint. Home tab on the ribbon is used to draw. There are various ready-made shapes given in the tab. First, click the Home tab. Click the line from the Shapes group. Now, click on the drawing area and drag the mouse to draw the straight line. Let's know more. Every computer window has three options at right corner. Hide page, maximize or minimize the page, cut or close the page. Drawing a circle. Click to the Home tab of Paint window. Select oval shape from the Shapes group. Press the left click button of the mouse and drag it to make the circle of the size you want. Release the mouse button. Drawing a triangle. First, click the Home tab of the window. Click on the Triangle Shapes group. Drag the mouse to the drawing area and make the triangle of the size you want.